The City of Houston Parks and Recs Department is in charge of taking care of 38 pools around the city of Houston. Right now, all of them are closed due to COVID-19. Lero Maura Jr. is a senior superintendent for the Aquatic Center for the Parks and Rec Department for the city of Houston. HTV visited the one location off of 5225 Calhoun Road. Leroy is afraid that if he or his staff have to save a life, it could have horrendous consequences.
Actually, COVID-19 has wreaked havoc on city pools. With the social distancing, it is just virtually impossible to keep the distance and perform the skills of a lifeguard as you are supposed to. Our job is to save lives. However, with COVID-19, it puts us in position that we may be also taking a life or even losing our life in the process because of the asymptomatic individuals out there.
He also mentioned they would be closed for business because it would be very difficult to practice social distancing.
No, we're not having people in the pool. All our facilities are closed. We are required to social distance at least 6 feet away, and it's virtually impossible to train a lifeguard to do what they need to do and stay 6 feet away from doing it. Once we open, if we were to open pools, or when you see pools open, social distance is not being adhered to, especially in times of a crisis or emergency.
Opening pools to the public right now is like
rolling the dice, playing sort of the game of Russian roulette. Here's the problem with that is that we don't know how the virus would affect us once it's in our body. Someone should be watching the people that are in the water. Things can happen and those people may or may not be able to get themselves out of that situation. So you have to have someone on deck that can actually respond to that.
Parents always have to be mindful and watch their children around the pools, lakes, and any body of water to avoid drowning.
One of those staff members' responsibility is to go to that phone and call 911. We've got the EMS rolling. We're performing the rescue. And in the past years, EMS has arrived within 5 minutes of the rescue ever starting.